Warren Buffett, Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, all these leaders have done an MBA. But Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, Ritesh Agarwal, and Nikhil Kamath have done no MBA. And Nikhil Kamath literally stated this
If you're 25 and going to MBA college today, you must be some kind of idiot, if you ask me.
in one of his recent podcasts. So MBA किया या नहीं किया, these people have built the biggest companies of the world. And so the real question is कि क्या आज के टाइम पे MBA सक्सेस का गारंटी कार्ड है या सिर्फ एक ऑप्शनल अपग्रेड. So let's decode some of the different aspects of doing an MBA. The money aspect. आज इंडिया में MBA करने का कॉस्ट मिनिमम 20 to 30 लाख तक होता है और अगर आप अब्रॉड जाके करोगे तो 60 to 80 लाख तक भी हो सकता है और उसके 2 साल बाद तक आप कुछ भी अर्न नहीं करते. मतलब टोटल 30 लाख से लेके 1 करोड़ तक के इन्वेस्टमेंट पे आपका क्या रिटर्न हो सकता है. एंड इन मेनी केसेस इवन आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग अ करोड़ ROI काफ़ी स्लो होता है और ब्रेक इवन में शायद 6 से 10 साल भी लग जाते हैं. तो मैथमेटिकली MBA काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव है, पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि MBA वेस्ट है. इसका मतलब सिर्फ इतना है कि MBA तभी काम आएगा जब आपके पास क्लैरिटी होगी, जब आप एक MBA को अपनी पूरी क्लियर तरीके से सोच समझ के परस्यू करेंगे. सो व्हाई डू पीपल फील दैट MBAs आर अ ट्रैप टुडे? 10 से 12 साल पहले MBA वॉज अ गोल्डन टिकट. मैंने खुद 2014 से 15 के टाइम जॉब मार्केट देखी हुई है एंड MBA grads would totally get better salary and the preferred roles. In fact, organizations would prefer MBA candidates directly, especially for some of the management roles. But today, things have seriously changed because the market itself has changed. Startups are in a hyper growth mode. Founders आज डिग्री नहीं, mindset, speed और accountability देखते हैं. AI has replaced a lot of the analysis work. Companies, in fact, today want people who can use AI tools to automate some of the business functions and not just give business theories. Employers are now looking for practical execution over theoretical frameworks. So, all in all, I would not say that MBA has completely lost its value. But yes, the weightage that it once had is definitely and quite evidently diminishing. So, what does the data say? While we are discussing about the actual value of an MBA, the data quite evidently tells a different story. 2024 में 3,30,000 लोगों ने CAT के एग्जाम के लिए रजिस्टर किया था, whereas in 2025 the registration went down to 2,90,000 and the actual number that really appeared for the exam was 2,60,000. So 2011 से लेके 2024 तक CAT registration में सिर्फ 1% annual growth हुआ है, which means that the demand for MBA and the candidates is now stagnant. 8 से 10 साल पहले तक having an MBA degree was a matter of prestige and job security. But today things are different. MBA is just an option and the reasons for that are startup culture, skill first employment, freelancing, product and AI automation, and employers are choosing mindset over degrees. The impact of AI. Companies are now actively looking for someone who understands the business, data, and can efficiently use AI tools to effectively streamline longer business functions. So MBA might have lost its value because every other function can now be automated. Excel models, AI can do it. Deck preparation, AI can do it. Market research, AI can do it. So yes, AI today can replace a lot of these MBA candidate advantages. The impact on job promotions. But then why do MBA graduates get promoted faster even when you have more experience? और डेटा भी इसी डायरेक्शन में पॉइंट आउट करता है. MBA graduates actually get 40% more promoted in their first 10 years as compared to non-MBAs. But why? Because an MBA isn't just a degree. It literally teaches you some of the most important stuff for the professional world. For example, business language. मीटिंग में स्ट्रैटेजी की डिस्कशन हो रही है एंड वर्ड्स लाइक कैक क्या है, EBITDA क्या है, टॉप लाइन, बॉटम लाइन. MBAs actually speak this language quite comfortably, whereas a non-MBA would have to learn this through certain experience. Number 2, network. MBA graduates actually create a whole network for themselves that eventually leads to becoming a pipeline of opportunities for them. Number 3, stamp of business understanding. Companies actually believe that you understand the entire business and not just one function. और ये चीज़ें कॉलेज से ज़्यादा रियल वर्ल्ड में हेल्प करती हैं. And MBA becomes a trap only when you use it as a panic button. And people need to understand that MBA तभी return देता है when you have absolute clarity, clear target role, clear skill gap, clear industry and a clear plan. So if you don't know the direction, you may actually go in the wrong direction. And MBA becomes a trap only when you are trying to get away from something and not trying to get closer to something. तो अगर आपकी direction clear है, so your MBA will only accelerate your career. पर अगर आपकी direction unclear है, तो यही MBA आपको de-accelerate करेगी. So if you are someone who has done an MBA and your career has been accelerated because of it, let me know in the comments below.